How to turn on live view in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, click on Navigation, which is the second option. After you click on Navigation, scroll down and at the bottom, you'll find walking options. Below walking options, you'll find live view. Simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. And after you do that, you're good to go. You can search the location, then click on the live view or tilt phone to enter live view automatically as well. And this is how to turn on live view in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.